Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all a few goodies I picked up by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in my bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what did Glam find in Dollar Tree this time. Yes, this time. But wait, let's first address the elephant that is in the room. I know you is noticing my ponytail. Yes, look at my ponytail. I promise you all, the link to my ponytail is down in the description box below. For real, the link is down in the description box below. A lot of you all over social media was like, where's the information about that ponytail you rocking? I'm sorry, but the link is down. But let's get into this Dollar Tree because, girls, I got some goodies, okay? So I'm going to randomly start pulling what I found out the bag. First thing up, okay, I picked up another Slam I Maintain Your Style hair bonnet that looks like this right here. It's looking like this right here. I buy hair bonnets all the time, and I like wearing them when I'm doing, you know, my natural hair and the makeup. When I'm doing my makeup, I'll put my natural hair, whatever, into the bonnet. Or if I happen to have a wig on or a hair piece like this, I'll put it up in the bonnet. That way it protects my hair as I'm doing my makeup. And for your natural hair, this is cool for you to sleep in, okay? So I got another one of these. Got that right there. Next thing I picked up is some witch hazel. I picked up witch hazel because this is excellent for toning your skin. Like for after I remove all my makeup and wash my face, whatever, my final step is take a clean cotton pad and I wipe my face with the witch hazel, which is this right here. And what I love about this one is it has an expiration on the back of it. I know. There's an expiration date on the back of this witch hazel. So when you do purchase witch hazel, just make sure whichever one you're purchasing do have an expiration date on the back. And like I said, this helps to cleanse and soothe your skin as well as tone it down, especially if you're a glam doll that has a lot of redness to your skin. This is going to work wonders for you. So I got one of that. Okay. I also picked up these quick dry anti-perspirant sprays, which looks like this right here. This one in particular, the white one, reminds me so much of the Dove anti-perspirant spray, you know, for under your arms and whatnot. These two smell amazing. This one is powder fresh, and this one has, the gray one has a little bit of a I want to get it out. Anyway, it has a little bit of the shower to shower, this right here, that powder. Yeah, that powder. It has that kind of scent for the gray one, and this one smells like Dove. So I got two of those right there. I haven't done a Dollar Tree video in such a long time. I kid you not. Next thing up, I picked up Salon Selectives. If you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll. You already know. Me and Salon Selectives have a love thing going way back. But this one is a curl control stretch cream. This helps to define your natural hair, you know, curl pattern. So I will be giving this a try. I got that. And it smells, wait for it. Yes, this smells absolutely amazing. You can't never use too much of it. Got that right there. Still in the line with curl creams, right? I bought this curly type curl enhancer that is infused with Acibian oil. And it's paraben free and it's extra strength. It's enriched with aloe and honey. It adds moisture and helps to define your curl or waves. That looks like this right here. I picked that one up, so I will be giving this a try. Never used it before, but I will be letting you know how it works for me. I got that. So it wouldn't be me if I ain't going to Dollar Tree and went into the makeup section, right? You already know me. LA Colors Cosmetics. Yes, LA Colors. Oh my, if you are an official Glam Doll to the channel, you already know I go hard for LA Colors Cosmetics, and that's because I feel that they are a brand that is, you know, not being recognized enough. The quality of their eyeshadows can rival designer brand quality or higher end brand quality at a fraction of its cost. I have several videos showing you looks that I've created just by using LA Colors Cosmetics. In fact, hello, the exclusive LA Colors playlist is down in the description box below. Visit that playlist and check out the looks that I've created. So anyway, I picked up these two right here, and these are some eyeshadow palettes that I picked up. The first one here is called Mattifying, and these are some gorgeous neutral colors. And like I said, you're an official glam doll, you already know I am a sucker for a neutral palette. So I got that one. And this one again is also neutral colors, and this one's called Matte Terrific. Okay, some gorgeous matte neutral shades that looks like that right there. I got that right there. Oh, my video's almost over. This is the part I hate when the video's running out. Okay, I picked up some more elastobands that looks like this right here. Y'all know me, I'm always getting these things because, let's be real, I always lose these. I don't know why or what happens, but I always lose these things. Comment down below if that happens to you. Do you be losing your elastobands that be looking like this? Because I be losing mine, but I got some more, so I ain't worried about that. And I also picked up two of these right here, these carbon, let me see, carbon mask applicators, and these unclogs your pores and lifts away impurities in 15 minutes. I got two of them. I wasn't playing. Now, another reason why I purchased this one is because when it comes to Global Beauty Care, which is the brand right here, Global Beauty Care, they are a trusted brand, okay? They've been around for years, okay, years, and they are a trusted brand, I kid you not. So for me to have seen these up in Dollar Tree, there's no way I was leaving them behind. So on that note, I decided to save the very best for last, okay? I picked up some lipsticks that was floating around in Dollar Tree. Let me get them together. And they are by City Color, and they are all matte lipsticks that look like this right here. So instead of me showing you the little lipsticks like I usually do, I'm going to show you swatches of all the colors that I've got. So take a look at this. Okay, dolls, so now that you've seen the swatches of these lipsticks, these are the ones that I have picked up. And if nothing else, I strongly encourage that you get yourself in your local Dollar Trees and snatch up these lipsticks right here, because they are definitely worth you dolls looking for. And on that note, this just concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure we stay socially connected, so keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on the budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.